So we're going to knock up a light sort of tempura batter, a little bit of plain flour, baking powder, and sparkling water. I'm not sure if that really does help or if it's just an old tale, but we do it anyways.
So if you didn't want to make the tempura batter, I guess you could use a mix.
Yeah, we've got plenty of mixes as well.
But just to save a little bit of time, and I mean, it may not deliver in terms of quality that batter does, but I guess there's ready-made batters that we
There is ready-made batters, yeah. That's a pretty simple one to put together. A bit of a cheats tempura, really. But yeah, sort of like a pasty consistency on that. So we're going to do a deep fried ice cream. Okay. So I've frozen the balls yesterday, just to make sure they're extra hard.
Okay.
Makes it easier to work with.
That's just vanilla?
That's it, yeah.
Okay.
Bog standard vanilla, and then I'm going to get the crumb ready. So I'm using panko crumbs just to give it a bit more texture, something a bit more interesting, and then I'm going to add some pistachio nut into it and some sesame seeds just for a bit of visual interest.
Okay. Could you make these, pane these, and freeze?
And then refreeze them, yeah.
So if,
if it's on your menu, have them all done up, ready to go.
Yeah, I think that's quite key, isn't it? If you're in a busy establishment, if you can...
You don't want to be knocking up ice cream in the middle of the heat.
But being able to make them in advance, batch make them, freeze them down, and then you get an order on.
That's it.
Just drop it in the fryer. Okay.
Right, so this is the messy bit. So I drop that in the batter.
This is when you need 4 pairs of hands.
Yeah. Just get them all coated up. So you've got to work a little bit quickly because the heat of your hands. That's why you've got to definitely pre-freeze them again.
Yeah.
Roll them and then.
So is this a dish you've done before, chef, in the past? Or
No,
just an idea you saw?
Just an idea I've seen.
Yeah.
I think it's a little bit of that mix of Western, Asian.
Yeah. Yeah,
Western,
deep fried ice cream.
That's it, yeah. Those panko crumbs on there. A little bit of batter. You can just gently drop the balls in. Nice. Just gently roll them around. Beautiful. So slip one of them on there, and then a little bit of chocolate sauce. And that's a super easy, super quick
Fantastic.
dessert. Let's crack it open and see what it...
So outside of the initial work in terms of balling the ice cream, paneing it, refreezing it, it's pretty easy to deliver, isn't it?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I like that.
Look at that. Beautiful. So you've got the cold ice cream,
Yeah.
the crunch. Yeah, really tasty.
It's great.